The Grillbot is the world's first and only automatic grill cleaner. Simply turn it on, set the timer, and let your Grillbot do the cleaning for you. The onboard computer chip creates a randomized pattern with each of the 3 brushes, ensuring full coverage of your grill, deep cleaning every corner. The Grillbot does literally all the work, so you don't have to.
I was skeptical. The first time you pick up Grillbot, you know it's serious quality and it cleans incredibly well.
The Grillbot works with hot or cold grills, so you can use it before or after you grill. Just turn it on, close the lid, and hang out with your dinner guests, and the Grillbot does all the cleaning for you. The quick-release brushes are dishwasher safe, and with the rechargeable lithium-ion battery, it's easy to make sure your Grillbot is always ready to clean.
There is something to be said about doing a job right. Getting the most out of your meal. What was it they told us in Scouts? Be prepared. A little preparedness keeps your perfectly marinated chicken breast cooking evenly and worthy of your secret recipe. It keeps chunks of your burger from sticking to your grill. That's your meat. It keeps that last shrimp from falling through your grate. Out of reach, doomed to its fiery crypt. Leave no man behind. But most importantly, a little preparedness gets you where you need to be faster. Being prepared gets the job done right.
Hey, where's the grill master? We're starving.
Okay. Just let me get out my tools.
Whoa, what is that?
This is my OlarHike 25-piece barbecue grill set. It's got everything a serious griller needs. With thick stainless steel construction that's going to last forever. It's got heavy-duty tongs, a basting brush, a fork and knife set, skewers, and the spatula even has cutting edges, and a bottle opener.
Wow, it's got everything you need, and in that really handy carrying case.
Yep, and it's even got a meat injector, an electronic grilling thermometer, a heat-proof glove, and more. Food's ready, guys.
Let's hear it for the grill master.
And his OlarHike 25-piece barbecue grill set.
I'll drink to that.